Hello everyone, welcome to our series where we take complex maintenance concepts and break them down into easily digestible insights. I'm your host, Ryan Chan, the CEO and founder of UpKeep. Today, we're going to explore root cause analysis, or RCA, a key technique that can fundamentally change how your organization tackles problems. We'll discuss its importance, its integration into business, and introduce some tools and techniques to help you along the way. So sit tight as we're about to uncover the roots of your operational issues and show you how to pull them out. Root cause analysis is all about identifying and eliminating the core issues that lead to problems within an organization. Imagine a scenario where problems are like weeds in a garden. Simply cutting them off from the top won't remove them. You need to dig down and pull out the roots. That's exactly what RCA aims to do in a business context: identify the root causes of problems to prevent them from recurring. Now, why should companies integrate RCA into their business? Here are 5 compelling reasons. First, to mitigate failures. Second, to optimize asset reliability. Third, to enhance process reliability. Fourth, to reduce costs. And fifth, to reduce stress across the board. RCA isn't just a one-off task. It requires specific triggers to be set in place. These triggers can be anything from an increase in equipment downtime, a rise in maintenance costs, or even safety incidents among employees. Each of these triggers can prompt a root cause analysis to prevent future issues. Let's talk about some popular RCA tools and techniques that can help in identifying these root causes. One such tool is the 5 whys method, an interrogative technique used to explore cause and effect relationships underlying a particular problem. By repeatedly asking why to each answer, you can peel back the layers of symptoms to reach the core issue. Another powerful tool is the Ishikawa or Fishbone diagram, which helps map out the various potential causes of a problem in a visual format. This can be particularly useful in team settings where different departments can contribute insights into what might be going wrong. When it comes to analyzing the data from an RCA, there are several tools at your disposal. The Pareto chart, which helps visualize the most significant factors in a data set. The scatter diagram, which can show correlations between 2 variables, and the failure modes and effects analysis, or FMEA, which helps identify and prioritize risks within an operation. Implementing these tools requires a structured approach, and one effective way to manage this is through a failure mitigation RACI chart. This chart helps define who is responsible, accountable, consulted, and informed throughout the RCA process, ensuring that everyone knows their role in mitigating failures. Training is also a critical component of RCA. Every team member should be well-versed in RCA techniques, not only to conduct effective analyses, but also to understand their role in the broader system. As we wrap up, remember that RCA is not just about finding what went wrong. It's about learning from those failures to prevent future issues. It requires buy-in from all levels of management and a culture that values continuous improvement. Thank you for watching this video. We've explored the concept of root cause analysis, its integration into business, and some key tools and techniques that can help your organization tackle problems more effectively. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more insightful content. To learn more about how UpKeep can help your maintenance and operations teams, visit us at upkeep.com. We appreciate your time and look forward to sharing more valuable insights with you.